What's going on, guys? It's UrAvgConsumer, and today we have a very special box right here. This is from OnePlus. Now, I feel like it wasn't too long ago that we were unboxing the OnePlus 6, and you might imagine what this is. So let's see what we've got inside. This guy is the phone. We've got another over here. I'm not sure what's inside of here. And we got a microfiber cloth. Yes. And this one is surprisingly empty. And for those of you who've never heard of OnePlus, where you been, but they are a value brand in terms of Android devices that are really good, but don't cost a ton of money. Now that's been changing a little bit over the years. They have gotten a bit more premium, but we'll see what happens with the 6T. Okay, let's do this reveal. Oh, now guys, I did a really good job at staying away from rumors, although I couldn't miss some of the pictures that were out there on the internet. But the notch that they went with the 6T, it's a little teardrop notch. So this is cool. This is the midnight black version of the 6T, and man, I cannot wait to power this thing on. But we have to put it to the side and see what else we get inside of the box. All right, we got a bumper that is always welcome, and some paperwork. Who cares, right? But you also get a dash charger. Is that what I think I saw? No! OnePlus, what is this? Why? It's an adapter, y'all, for the headphone jack. Well, another one bites the dust. All right, well, you got your dash charger here and your adapter for your headphone jack. At least it's a good looking adapter. It's, you know, white and red. That's like OnePlus's whole thing, the theme. But man, it's a real disappointment right there. So we've got our accessories over here. We've got the phone over here as well. But I wanna know what else they sent over. Some cases. So OnePlus is really good at providing some nice cases. So you got a pretty standard plastic one that came in the box with the phone, but over here we've got some nice ones as well. They got some of the best cases out there. Them and Apple, they got really good first party cases. And we've got the OnePlus Type-C bullet earphones. Let's take a look at these. So I'm guessing these are like, yeah, these are Type-C earbuds, since, you know, there's no longer a headphone jack. Let's see what these actually look like. Okay, got a little metal finish to it. And they remind me of their Bluetooth ones, the overall design. But it's got a cable and a USB Type-C input so that you can plug it into your phone. But all right, those are all of the accessories that we have here. Now let's go for the main attraction. We gotta jump into the phone. All right, so now it's time to take a look at the actual phone. Okay guys, this thing has an in-display fingerprint scanner. That is exciting, yo. I don't think I've used a phone yet that had this feature. So there's like the those Vivo phones that had that ability. I've never gotten a chance to use those. So this is going to be my first one, and it's coming to consumers as soon as this is available. So that is awesome. So let's power this thing up and set that up. Now, for those of you curious about specs, this thing's still rocking a Snapdragon 845 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and I believe this is the 128 gig model, so you got quite a bit of storage here. And man, that display, this display is nice. You see, that's the little teardrop front-facing camera. So with that single camera, it is going to have that same quick face unlock. And this is actually a 6.41 inch display, so it's a huge display. This is actually the best looking notch I've seen so far. This is closest to the Essential phone, but this one, the way they made that curve, I think I like this one a bit more. Okay, so I'm all logged in, but I have to add my face data. So let's see how that goes. Boom, that was like really quick. I didn't even have to move. Now it's the fingerprint part, guys. I'm excited. So when the fingerprint pattern appears at the bottom of the screen, simply press with your finger on the fingerprint indication area to use the fingerprint function. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna set this up. Oh, this is crazy, it's a display. How's a display even doing this? I gotta say, I like the feel in the hand. This is the midnight black version. Oh, first time using fingerprint, hold up. Boom, works like a charm. We're in, guys. This is the OnePlus 6T. And just so you guys can walk away knowing all of the specs here, this thing's got a 16 megapixel front facing camera, as well as 16 megapixels in the back here. Not to mention, this guy also has a 3,700 milliamp hour battery capacity. I would have been happy with 4,000, but OnePlus gets really good battery life. So seeing an increase in the battery capacity here means good things. You of course still get that USB Type-C connector at the bottom, down-firing speakers. I don't believe there's any front-firing speakers. Yeah, so down-firing speakers at the bottom. It really hurts to see the headphone jack leave this guy. Now, I know everyone is going the Bluetooth route these days, but it would have been nice to just have the option, but hey, you can't really knock them. Every manufacturer is doing it these days. Now we got the specs down, but in terms of new features, of course that fingerprint scanner is the biggest one, but there's also an improved camera. So we're supposed to be seeing better low light photography with this. And we also have this thing called Smart Boost. So with Smart Boost, you're gonna be able to open up apps quite a bit faster, between 5 and 20% faster from cold starts. So basically what that means is when you leave an app for a while and you jump back into it, it's supposed to load up a bit faster. But we'll see how that does after a few tests. But so far guys, this phone is looking really, really good. This display, oh man, I'm very, very happy with what I'm seeing right now. This is nice. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick sneak peek into what you're getting with the OnePlus 6T with this quick little unboxing. There's definitely going to be a real day in the life video to let you guys know how this thing handles being outside in the real world. But let me know what you guys think of the OnePlus 6T with a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, be the cool guy or girl that gives it a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Till then, it's your average consumer. Peace.